Hello, Earth. Today we need to clean up the station, pick up trash and things that are just lying around, dust everything off, and vacuum. Each team member has been assigned a cleaning zone. Now we'll show you how it all works. Hi, Maya. Tell us what you're doing.
Hi, Martin. Hi, subscribers. I'm trying to catch the items that have scattered all over the station.
Don't worry. I'll try not to forget to cut that out during editing.
Oh my god. Here we go again with this big cleanup Martin came up with. It sucks that I'm the only external repair specialist. I'll have to clean all the windows by myself. Damn it, it's so dirty in here. Didn't the previous crew do anything at all?
Good job, Olivia. I think once the sun goes down, you'll be able to finish up and get back to sleep.
What, Martin? What are you talking about? The sun's always shining here.
Yes, Olivia. That's exactly what I meant.
Hey, Fred, where'd you get that old junk?
As an old astronaut, I was allowed to bring a few more things with me than the others. I call it the Nimbus 2002. Look,